time and temperature, brought to you by your local Honda dealer.
Now on News Channel 6 at 11. Preparing for the World Cup, we'll tell you about FBI security to keep everyone safe while they enjoy the games. Plus, a panel in town today discussing the impact data centers have on the community. And the Aquatic Center once again open for swimmers. Those stories and more as your news at 11 starts now.
Live from Television Park, this is WJBF News Channel 6 at 11.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Jenny Montgomery. We want to take a first check of the weather right off the bat with our chief meteorologist, Jenna Petracci.
Well, Jenny, we are seeing some of those hit or miss showers and storms still impacting the CSRA. Now, most of us are dry, but notice we're watching those showers and storms build in around the Midlands, pushing down towards the southeast. So as we zoom in here to Saluda County, we have that heavy rain right over town, a few lightning strikes. So heads up, Saluda County, the worst of the storm is moving through you now. And then we also have some storms outside of Aiken County moving southeast as well. So parts of eastern Aiken County will soon see those showers and storms. But here in Augusta, it is completely dry. This is our Terry Lambert Hyundai Skyview Cam outside the station. We started out pretty warm today, 72 in the morning, well above average. Then our high temperature was right at average, 88 today. Around the CSRA, we're still in the 70s in McCormick, even checking in at 80 degrees, 74 in Augusta, 75 in Aiken, Saluda at 79, and dew points are in the 70s, so it's very muggy outside. And for tomorrow morning, temperatures will be around that 70-degree mark, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. We will be starting out our Friday dry, but more showers and storms will be on the way. We have a 50% chance of rain on Friday, up to 70% on Saturday. Notice the rain chances go down on Sunday, and so will the temperatures. Highs are falling into the 70s. I'll have more details on your forecast and everything you can expect through the weekend coming up. But back to you, Jenny.
All right, Jenna, we appreciate it. Coverage you can count on begins with the FBI in at 11.
Scattered storms continue with a flash flooding threat as we go into the next few days. We're also going to see cooler temperatures starting this weekend with a drier pattern next week. I'll have your full Viper 6 forecast when we return.
Caring for Carolina. Throughout the years, News Channel 6 has been honored to impact the lives of thousands of families in need. It's our way of giving back to the community we proudly serve. Sponsored by Aiken Regional Medical Centers.
Come see why everyone's talking about WJBF 6 Plus, the CSRA's streaming home to a wide variety of local original programming. Free to download, free to watch. Get WJBF 6 Plus today on your favorite streaming device.
Time with your family is sacred. I cherish the moments I spend with my wife and son every day. As a lawyer, I know how an injury can change all of that in an instant. It impacts your health, your work, your loved ones, your whole life. I'm Austin Jackson, the Augusta guy. After your accident, I'm here to help you recover and get what you deserve for your injuries so you can get back to the moments that really matter. After an accident, call Austin Jackson, the Augusta guy. 706-724-7224.
Now, your most accurate forecast with WJBF Live Viper 6.
Welcome back. Here's a look at the rainfall totals over the last 24 hours. Many places in the CSRA remained completely dry today, and some places just all up to around a trace amount. But I want to draw your attention down to Jenkins County. Notice that area of yellow there. It says a quarter of an inch of rain in Millen, but just to the south of downtown Millen, look at how much rain we picked up between Emmeline and Butts. There was some flooding today. We had a flash flood warning with around 6 inches of rain that happened just over a 3-hour period. And then all around Jenkins County, around 3 inches. But you can see how just to the north of it, Millen, only around that quarter of an inch of rain. Same thing in Perkins and Lawton. So that just goes to show how hit or miss these showers and storms are. Some of us staying completely dry while others are seeing some significant rainfall. So that flash flooding threat continues. as we go into the next few days, and I am tracking a couple storms right now impacting our far northeastern viewing area. We have that storm over Saluda County with heavy rain and lightning, and then we do now have a special weather statement that is in effect for a portion of Aiken County, including Wagner. That's until 11:45 tonight for this storm that we're watching here. Just outside of our viewing area, frequent lightning, heavy rain, and the possibility of 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. A quiet night in downtown Aiken, though. This is our Terry Lambert Hyundai Skyview cam, but heads up if you're in Aiken. The storm is moving southwest, and I am expecting it to fall apart a good bit, but you may start to hear some of that thunder from the distance. 74 degrees, dew points in the 70s. It is pretty calm out there, only windy within the storm. The rest of the CSRA seeing very light winds with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. You can see here on satellite and radar that we've been tracking this backdoor cold front today, and ahead of that we have a lot of moisture coming in, and you can see those scattered showers and storms still impacting the two states. So here's the setup for tomorrow. This cold front will become a stationary front, and ahead of that we'll have plenty of moisture coming in, increasing rain chances on Friday and leading to that flash flooding threat. So tomorrow we do have that excessive rainfall risk marginal, so only says 10%, but that just shows you the amount of coverage we'll have in the viewing area. So for today example, we had this marginal risk as well, and you can see it was really just that one storm down there in Jenkins County that had the flooding. So think of it as 10% of the viewing area will likely see flooding tomorrow. Now for our day planner, we're starting out in the upper 60s, mostly cloudy and dry, pushing into the 80s as the day goes on with showers and storms developing in the afternoon and evening. Still in the 80s temperature-wise on Saturday, 70% chance of rain and storms. Then on Sunday, those temperatures cool down into the 70s and we'll have a 30% chance of just some light rain showers. So here's our futurecast tonight at midnight. These are the showers and storms we're watching. Notice that starts to fade away, and then some additional pop-up showers and storms could develop in our southwestern counties. But by the time you're headed out the door tomorrow morning, things look good. As that front lingers in the area, though, we'll have this surge of moisture coming in with showers and storms starting in our southwestern counties, moving up towards the north. There's Friday afternoon. Then Friday by 8 p.m., still seeing some light rainfall. On Saturday, we'll still see some showers and storms during the early morning hours, but we'll have breaks on and off throughout the day. So there will still be some opportunity to spend some time outside. It won't be a complete washout, but definitely likely that you'll see rain at least at some point. Now, rainfall totals will be very spotty. Our southern counties will likely see the most rain, and it really just depends on where those storms develop. So our 10-day forecast showing rain chances go down on Sunday, but then back up to 50% on Monday. Looks to be a pretty stormy day then. Then we'll see the drier and cooler air move in by the middle of next week. Sunny skies, highs in the low 80s most of next week, Jenny.
Gemma, thank you so much.
And Jenny, there has been a lot of active weather in the southeast all of this week.
That's true. It was a scary scene when a tornado hit a TV station in Alabama during severe storm coverage. Take a look.
We're hearing strong gusts of wind, and yes, it does seem like a tornado is right over the station.
An employee of the TV station WDHN in Dothan, Alabama, trying to leave seconds before a window's broken. The National Weather Service says the damage is from an EF1 tornado. Look at that. Despite the broken glass and the sign, no one was hurt, thank goodness. Coming up, a fragile ceasefire and new U.S.
Station 706 injured.
It's time to go racing under the lights.
There could be chaos here tonight. It's going to be a great night for racing.
We're going to bring home a trophy tonight.
Feeling it under the lights is so special.
The NASCAR O'Reilly Auto Parts Series.
Coverage begins Saturday at 7 on CW6. News Channel 6 and the Giving Your Best partners are teaming up with Shepherd Community Blood Center to save lives with our annual summer blood drive. To donate, just stop by Television Park in Augusta on Thursday, June 11th from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. All blood given will stay local, and all donors will receive a free koozie and water bottle, plus a free coffee from 7 Brew. Help us make a difference this summer by giving the gift of life.
On a river.
Yeah,
Welcome back. We are tracking some of those storms in the Midlands pushing into the CSRA. We have that special weather statement for up to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Aiken County, and that lasts until 11:45. On our 10-day forecast, you can see those rain chances are sticking around, especially on Friday and Saturday. Looks pretty wet.
Finally, tonight, the Orient Express is launching a new 5-day luxury train trip across Europe. Takes you from Rome to Istanbul and promises a world of 1960s Italian glamour, luxurious suites, and gourmet dining. Are we all thinking Sophia Loren about now? The inaugural trip launches October 22nd, includes stops in Venice, Budapest, and other locations before arriving in Istanbul. The price tag, $20,000 a passenger.
Looks amazing.
That's our report for now, everybody. Thank you for watching. Make sure you download our mobile app for breaking news. Gabe Stovall will be here at 4:30. Good night.